Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Nye, and this is Slay the Renee Way, a place where passionate entrepreneurs can come to grow, glow, and succeed in their small businesses. So if that sounds like you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because your girl is back with another gem. I want to do another rendition of this video, how to start a body butter business for under $100. Today we're going to be talking about how you can do the same thing with a lip gloss based business. And I'm doing this video because I know that lip gloss businesses are very lucrative still to this day. It doesn't matter how many lip gloss businesses you see, they are still able to start and make a lot of money if you do it the right way. And because I know a lot of us are on a budget, I'm going to share with you guys everything that you need to purchase and how to do so for under $100 so you can start your lip gloss business today. So before we get into the video, go ahead and like this video right now and subscribe to my channel because I do like to give a lot of entrepreneur tips and ways that you can build and grow your small business. This video is for anyone who is interested or is already starting a lip gloss business, but you need to know where you can get the products and ingredients on the low. Don't forget to check the description box for everything that I'm showing you guys in this video today. Make sure that you click the link in the description box, and now let's jump into it. Alright, so the very first thing that you need, obviously, you need some sort of lip gloss base or Versagel so that you can actually make your lip gloss. Now we're on Amazon right now, so I'm going to show you guys where you can get really good Versagel. Now this is just because I'm doing this video specifically for Amazon. Obviously there are tons of under vendors, but I'm also trying to make this under $100 for the girls that are on a budget. So you want to be searching for, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get a TKB Trading Versagel base. This is probably like the most widely known Versagel base, and I honestly think it's one of the better lip gloss bases. I've used it before in the past and it works really, really well. So we're going to go get us some Versagel. Now this was the link that I will click on. Here it is right here. Okay, so this is a TKB Trading lip gloss base, you guys. This is a pack of 2 and each base is 5.5 ounces. So you're going to get 11 ounces of Versagel for just $15, and that's really, really good because we got only $100 to spend. So $15 for 11 ounces. Now if you scroll down, you can actually see that most of these bases have an actual chart to tell you how much lip gloss you can actually make. So here we go. Estimated number of lip gloss tubes able to be filled per bag size. Now if you can see, the first one that we have is 5.5 ounces. If you're doing 5 milliliter tubes, you can make between 30 and 35 tubes. That's a lot, y'all. That's a lot of lip gloss. 30 or 35 tubes with the 5 milliliter, 8 milliliter, 19 to 23. And the 10 milliliter, which is what we're going to get, you can make about 16 to 18 tubes. So we have 11 of these. So if we're doing 10 milliliters, some quick maths, we can double that and we can probably make about 36 lip gloss tubes that are 10 milliliters. That's really good to start. So this is what we're going to order. We're going to go ahead and add that to the cart, and I'm going to add it to the cart so we can see what our total is at the end, because like I said, we're staying under $100. Next thing that you're going to need is your lip gloss tubes or your wand tubes. So let's type in, I personally like a wand tube, so I'm going to type in wand tubes that are 10 milliliter. Let's see what we got. Okay, there's a ton of options on Amazon, you guys. Just take your time and like find what you feel like looks best for you to start. But keep in mind you're just starting. So keep in mind that you're just starting. So eventually you'll be able to get like the more customizable, really elegant wand tubes, but we're just starting. So here are the options that we have. As you can see, you can get 100 10 milliliter lip gloss balm tubes that are like just the regular squeeze tubes. That's 100 of them for just $12. Now, that's the option that I would go with if I was on a budget because I'm going to get more for my money. But if you're a girl that wants something cute to start, I got something for y'all as well. I saw a pack. Okay, so here's a pack right here. There are 16 10 milliliter tubes that come in like 4 different colors. They have a pink, a gold, a black lid, and then there's also like a silver lid. That's only 16 wand tubes though. So we're going to need to get 2 of those if we want to use if we want to get all the bang for our buck with our Versagel base, because like I said, with 11 ounces of Versagel, you're going to be able to make about 35, 36 10 milliliter wand tubes. So you could try that. Another option, I really like this one right here, but these are so small. They're so tiny. There are 100 pieces of 1.2 milliliter They're like the mini lip balm. So if you wanted to, you could. Say you came out with like a travel lip gloss or something like that. These are really cute for $20. And then here is, okay, so here is my recommendation right here. You have five different colors, and they are 30. It's 30 10 milliliter tubes. So black, silver, gold, pink, and like a rose gold. All right, y'all, that's not bad for $16.99. And look, they're actually really cute. It's 10 milliliters of wand tube. So it's really going to depend on your preference. You're going to have to figure out what works best for you, but I'm just showing you what I would do if I was starting it, and we're trying to stay under $100. So the next thing that we're going to need after we purchase our wand tubes or our lip gloss tubes, you do actually need some flavoring oil. That is going to be what will flavor your lip glosses. Now, some people do like an unflavored lip gloss, but I would say go ahead and get a flavoring oil. So let's type in flavoring oil for lip gloss. And you don't need very many flavors because you're only going to have a certain amount to start. So I would try to get maybe 5 or 6 different flavors to start with. And if I scroll down, keep in mind you can look through all of these yourself. Now the lower end is probably the better quality. This is like the best quality, I believe, but that's just a preference. So we can do, okay, so here is this lower end variety pack right here. There's 5 different scents and it's $10. That's really not bad, you guys. So we have a cotton candy, tropical punch, coconut, pineapple, and strawberry kiwi. Now, if you want to get creative with this, because it is 5 different flavors, you could mix. You could mix and experiment with 2 different or 3 different flavoring oils to make like another scent if 5 is not enough for you. But here's what I would do. I would get this 5-pack because I know that this brand is really, really trustworthy and the flavoring oils are going to work amazingly. But that's just my preference. Keep scrolling through and see which ones you would like for yourself. Okay, next up we've got our flavoring oils. Now we need some sort of pigment. So let's look for a lip gloss pigment. You can use like a mica pigment, which is like a powdery substance, or you can actually do liquid pigment. Personally, I would prefer to do a liquid pigment. And keep in mind, we have about 36 different wand tubes, 5 different flavors. So we might need 5 different colors. That's if you wanted to do colors instead of just clear lip gloss, which I would recommend. So let's see if we can find something that works. Okay, here we go right here. So this is 12 different lip gloss pigments for $12. So that's about $1 a piece. They have all different types of colors, you guys. You can mix these colors up and get creative. But 12 different colors is more than enough to start. We have a red, there's like an orange, it goes yellow, and then there's purple, pink, and then of course black. So I like this because I feel like these are all colors that you can mix and play around with, but also they're cute on their own. So let's go and add that to the cart. Let me check my list because we are checking things off. And I really just want to help people who are interested in starting a business, but they feel like it's a little bit too difficult because of financial situations. If you can save up $100, you can absolutely start any business. You just have to be consistent and dedicated to what it is that you're selling and know what you want to do when you buy these ingredients. Don't just buy them and then make stuff and don't know how to market it. So do your research and things like that, but here's where you can start getting your inventory. So let me check this stuff off. We've got Versagel, wand tubes, flavoring oil, and pigment. Now we need our carrier oils. Now because it's a lip gloss, you do want to have some sort of carrier oil to put on your lip so that your lips obviously are not drying out. Nobody wants a lip gloss that's going to dry their lips out. I want my lip gloss to be moisturizing as well as like cute, you know? So let's get vitamin E oil for lip gloss making. Vitamin E oil is super, super nourishing for the lips. So they won't dry your lips out. It will actually add the moisture. So let's get our vitamin E oil. Now vitamin E oil is expensive, so a lot of people would choose to do coconut oil or like almond oil instead. But here's my preference, vitamin E oil. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one right here. This is a 4 ounce, plenty of vitamin E oil, okay? For only $7. So if you need another carrier oil and you want to mix more than one oil, you can do that. But to stay under $100, I would recommend just trying one to start. Now let's check that off. Now we're getting on to the fun part, the part that I love the most. We got to get some sort of packaging for our lip glosses. So I'm going to type in lip gloss packaging. Here is where you can get creative. This is totally up to you, totally up to what your brand looks like, your brand colors, your brand identity, and things like that. So apparently halfway through filming, my memory card was full and I didn't even realize it. So I lost the footage for this portion, but basically I really like these refillable or like Ziploc bags that you can put your lip gloss wand tubes in. I've seen a lot of different small business owners use these and they are so cute. So you can get a pack like this. That's about 100 pieces in there. It's really affordable and they have so many different colors. So whatever your brand colors are, I'm sure you'll be able to find a color that matches. Here I'm just showing you guys all the different color variation. And I'm going to go ahead and add these to the cart. And after we have gotten our packaging, which I feel like this is one of the options, you can totally do whatever you feel matches your brand's aesthetics more. But for sake of the video, this is an example that I'm going to show you. Now after this, you do need to go ahead and get some labels to put on your wand tubes. You want someone to know your brand's name and what the flavor or what the name of your lip gloss is. So we're going to type in Lipgloss Labels, and here is the list that comes up. Personally, I would recommend not trying to print these out on your own because I feel like it's a little bit of a headache. It's obviously possible, and I'm not saying that you shouldn't. I'm just saying personally, I would recommend going ahead and get them customized by someone else who knows what they're doing so that you don't waste a bunch of labels. Anyway, here are some of the options that you can get. If you want to print them out yourself, here's a link that you can do that on. But because we're still within budget, you should just go ahead and get someone else to customize them. 100 labels for about $12. Like this creator right here, what you would have to do is you would select Customize Now. It's going to ask you to enter in your brand name and then the lip gloss name. And that's pretty much it for that. That's a really easy way to get some lip gloss labels done. Really easy like that. I wish I had known this when I was trying to sell lip gloss a few years ago because printing out those labels is a lot. But yeah, here's an example of me actually customizing the labels. It's going to ask you to enter in the names. You can choose the font, and then you can actually play around with the design and things like that. I love this option. I feel like this is really simple to do, and it saves you the hassle, like I said. All right, so if we head to checkout, since we've purchased everything that we need, we should just be under $100 or about $100. Let's go to our shopping cart and see. So we have our lip gloss labels, we have some packaging, we have vitamin E oil, we have pigments, we have flavoring oil, we have our wand tubes, and we have our Versagel base. And we're at $79.88, you guys. So since there's extra room in our budget, why don't we go and look up shipping boxes? We're going to do pink shipping boxes. So this is so that you can have something to ship your orders in as well. We got about $20 left. So let's see what we can find. Because now I'm giving y'all everything. We've made our product and now we're going to ship our product as well. So let's see. Oh, look right here. $15.99. They're so cute. And look, it's the perfect size. So you might need a 4x4x2. You'll be able to add your crinkle paper, business cards, thank you cards, and things like that. In these cute little shipping boxes. And it comes in a pack of 25. So I'm going to add this to the cart and we're still going to see what the total is. We should be just under $100. Look at that, y'all. $95.87. Who's not that girl? Come on. We just started our lip gloss business for under $100. And we did it all on Amazon. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. This was just a step-by-step how to start a lip gloss business for under $100 and get your business started today. If you found this video useful or helpful in any way, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your other entrepreneur friends, or just share this video to help me get to 100,000 boss babes. My goal is to help 100,000 entrepreneurs by the end of this year. So if you can help me, I would appreciate it. But comment down below and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see as far as like how to start a business, how to grow your business, how to market your business, anything, all things. Comment those down below and I'll get those videos filmed for you guys. But thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Love you guys. Peace.
So patience ain't no virtue with you. I don't waste the time.